Srimati Survi Vani Devi Garu MLC, Shri P. Mahendra Reddy Garu MLC, Shri Jayesh Ranjan Garu Principal Secretaries Industry, Shri Pradeep Kumar Das Ji Chairman and Managing Director of IREDA, Shri Amoy Kumar Garu Collector RI District, Shri Narsimha Reddy Garu VCNMD TSIIC, our Chairman, Shri Surendra Pal Singh Ji, Managing Director, Shrijeev Saluja, Director Srimati Revati Rohini Garu, and our Executive Director, Sudhir Reddy.
Anna కూర్చోవాలన్నా
I also request all our guests to please be seated.
అన్న కొంచెం సెట్ చేసుకుంటా ఇద్దరు ఇట్లా అయితే నాకు సెట్ చేయడానికి వస్తుంది
I'd also like to invite Mr. Krishna Reddy onto the dais, sir.
కూర్చోనా హలో సార్ కూర్చో
I'd also like to request PhD ma'am to please come onto the dais. It would be my honor to please request the municipal chairman to please come onto the stage.
హలో సార్ అరే అజో
హలో అన్నా గారు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి వీళ్ళందరినీ క్రౌడ్ని జరపమని చెప్తారా నాకు ఎవరైనా ఏం అర్థం కనిపిస్తలేదు పిఆర్ఏ వీడియో తీయడానికి వస్తుంది
I request all our guests to please be seated. I would now like to request our chairman, sir, to hand over the plant as a symbol of a cleaner and a greener world to our chief guest, Shri K.T. Ramarao Garu. Sir, will you please do the honors? Thank you, sir. I'd like to request our Managing Director, Mr. Shrijeev Saluja, to present the plant to Srimati Sabita Indra Reddy Garu. Our Chief HRO, Niyati Madasu, will now be presenting a plant to Shri Mahendra Reddy Garu. Kumar Das ji. I'd now like to request our Managing Director, Mr. Chiranjeev Saluja, to present a plant to Shri Amoy Kumar sir. I'd like to request our Executive Director, Mr. Sudhir Reddy, to present a plant to Shri Narasimha Reddy Garu. I'd like to request our Chief HRO, Niyati Madasu, to please present the plant to Mrs. Tejdeep Kaur. I now request Mr. Chiranjeev Saluja to please present the plant to Mr. Krishna Reddy Garu. I'd like to request Mr. Sudhir Reddy to please present the plant to Dr. Anita Garu. One. Can I please request Mr. Sudhir Reddy to present a plant to our MLC, Ms. Vani Garu. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming here. May I please request Mr. Chiranjeev Saluja to present a plant to Dr. Anita Garu. I'd like to request our Chief HRO, Niyati Madasu, to present a plant to the Municipal Chairman. I'd like to call Vice Chairman, Mr. Venkat Reddy, onto the dais, please. Can I please request Ms. Vivana Saluja to present a plant to the Municipal Chairman? Vice Chairman, sorry. On behalf of the Premier Energies family, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all our distinguished guests, friends, family who have supported us at every step of the way. I would now like to request Mr. Surinder Pal Singh, Chairman of Premier Energies, to deliver the welcome address. Sir has done the pioneering work in laying the foundation of this company. His contagious enthusiasm takes us all by surprise. Over to you, sir.
Shri K.T. Ramarao Garu, Madam Savita Indra Reddy Garu, Madam Vani Garu MLC, Jayesh Ranjan ji, Principal Secretary Government Telangana, Shri Pradeep Kumar Das ji, CMD Ireda, Shri Amoy Kumar Garu, Collector, Ara District, Hyderabad, Shri Narasimha Reddy Garu, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, TSSIC, and other dignitaries. It is indeed a privilege and a pleasure to welcome you all at the inauguration of our new plant in ECT. This plant is one of its kind in the country. It has got the latest technologies and the scope for adopting to future technology which may come in years to come. Incidentally, on the same day, at the same time, KTR G was with us at Anaram when the 300 megawatt automatic automatic line was inaugurated by him. He is very, very auspicious to us. And since then, we have been growing and we have come to this stage with the support from Government of India, Government of Telangana, IREDA, Government of India again, and banking institutions who have always come forward to give us the necessary working capital. We started our journey in 1995 when solar was at a very nascent stage. It was very difficult to convince someone that this solar panel, solar module as it's called, will be able to generate power. The thinking at that time was that power can be generated only through hydel, thermal or nuclear. Over a period, yes, this industry has grown, and now it is being said that solar is the only future for the power energy for the entire world. We started in 1995 as a system integrator, assembling solar lantern, solar home light and street light, and over a period, with the support of the workers, management, and the government agencies, today we are proud that we have a module manufacturing capacity of almost 1.25 megawatt and 750 megawatt of solar cell, which incidentally is almost one of its kind in the country, second biggest in the country and first in the South India. Apart from manufacturing solar cells and modules, we have been very active in solar water pumping systems, which are used for irrigation and for drinking water. We have been very active for the rooftop power plants, ground-mounted power plant, and last but not the least, village electrification. We have electrified, solarized over 500 villages in the states of Telangana, Andhra, Madhya Pradesh and UP. These states were inaccessible. It was not convenient for the conventional electricity to be provided to these people. We went there and we established the mini grids as we call, by having a centralized power station and an individual distribution where every household was given a street light and a home light for the studies. बंदगी के लुत्फ बंदा नवाजी के मज़े, बंदगी के लुत्फ बंदा नवाजी के मज़े, पूछ उस बंदे से जो बंदे का बंदा बन गया. Which means there are pleasures in worshipping the God. There are also pleasures worshipping the Almighty. Where lies the greatest pleasure? As the one who has dedicated himself to this humanity. True to this line, we have been contributing our humble mite in various social activities in and around Telangana. We have adopted Anaram as our village. We have set up a solar park with solar lighting, children's playground. We provided home lights and street light for the entire habitation of about 550 in Dr. Ambedkar Hatment, very close to Secretariat Cantonment. We are donating a LPG eco-friendly crematorium to Mokshadanam. We have been very, very actively supporting Spurs Foundation, which even the government of Telangana is promoting it. Before I end, I would like to thank Government of India for its very progressive solar policies, the state government for encouraging industry. They have been very, very kind as far as the growth of solar industry is concerned. Very recently, a pink book has been published, and one has to go through how fast and convenient it is to set up an industry in Telangana. We would like to thank IREDA. As and when we wanted expansion, they were very readily available and promptly they served us. Various banks like State Bank of India, ICICI, Punjab National Bank have come to provide us the need-based funds which we require for growth. Thank you very much, one and all.
Thank you, sir. He is the man who foresaw the future of solar energy. I'd now like to call upon Mr. Chiranjeev Saluja, the founder and managing director of Premier Energies, a visionary with a solar soul. He has transformed the company from a solar enterprise to an integrated facility. Sometimes I begin to think that he is just like his warranted solar panel that works endlessly, fully charged till the end of time. Over to the man with the plan.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's my privilege to welcome you all today for the inauguration of this greenfield facility. I would like to thank senior government dignitaries, distinguished guests, friends from the media, our customers who have come from outside Telangana to take out time for this occasion. Built with an investment of 483 crores, spread across 25 acres, this high-tech plant has been designed to produce the latest generation products designed to drive the industry to a greener tomorrow. This launch is significant for us because it contributes to the Make in Telangana and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives of the Government of India. This expansion has more than doubled Premier Energy's capacity. This plant will produce 750 megawatt of solar cells and 750 megawatt of solar modules. We are happy to announce that 700 people have been employed in this plant and more than 80% are from Telangana South. We at Premier Energies realize